Cybersecurity can feel like a maze, especially for businesses trying to keep up with new threats every day. You know it's important, but where do you start? The truth is, protecting your business doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially when you have the right experts by your side. Imagine having a personal cybersecurity guide, someone who knows the ins and outs of digital threats and can help you make smart decisions. That's where Boston BizTech comes in. They specialize in untangling the complexities of cybersecurity so you can focus on running your business. Think of a cybersecurity assessment like a routine checkup for your company's digital health. The experts at Boston BizTech will dig deep into your systems, spot any weak points, and fix them before they can be exploited. It's all about prevention and peace of mind. Worried about designing the perfect security plan? Boston BizTech acts like an architect for your digital world, building a customized blueprint that fits your business. No cookie-cutter solutions, just strategies that work for your unique needs. And when it comes to understanding threats, their workshops are hands-on and practical. You'll learn how to spot risks and respond to them, just like practicing fire drills, so your team is ready for anything. Best of all, partnering with Boston BizTech is cost-effective. You get top-tier expertise without the price tag of a full-time executive, making it a smart move for businesses of any size. Ready to simplify your cybersecurity journey? Reach out to Boston BizTech at 781-943-5130 or visit bostonbiztech.com. They're your trusted partner for navigating the cybersecurity maze with confidence. With the right guidance, you can turn cybersecurity from a headache into a competitive advantage.